Wow, this really does look amazing. Is it fitting that I'm gonna talk about my first paycheck with a new camera? I guess it is. And yep, it is that time for every YouTuber's life cycle. Every channel is doing it, right? Why wouldn't we do it? You know exactly what we're going to do right now. Welcome to my first YouTube paycheck, but this time it will be a little bit different. Let's just jump right into it. Again, as a reminder, our free YouTube thumbnail template is still available in the description down below, and you can also join our Facebook group. Again, links are all in the description down below. So in this video, we're going to be discussing my earnings for the first month of not one, but two different YouTube channels that I managed to monetize in the year 2021. And these two channels are completely unrelated to each other. We're going to be discussing the earnings of the first month of this channel, which was monetized on February 8th of 2021. And we're going to be discussing the earnings of my other channel, which is a gaming channel, which was incidentally monetized on January 8th of 2021. For that channel, we're going to be discussing the January earnings. We're going to be comparing all the earnings, all the CPMs, all the views, and all that stuff. And just in case you don't know what all of those things mean, don't worry, I'm going to be explaining all this in a video, of course. So let's start with the smaller guy, which is this channel right here. Let me get my iPad just to read everything for you. Okay, this channel was monetized on February 8th of 2021. So I was actually monetizing this channel only for 20 days in February. So during the entire month, this channel got 7,767 views. And as for the money earned, it accounted for $26.54. As you can see, it's not a lot of money, but it's something. And not bad for the first month. The channel CPM was pretty high though, and it was $19.64. For the ones who doesn't know what CPM means, because a lot of YouTubers are doing a very bad job actually explaining what it means. It's basically the price of ads per 1,000 views on your channel. It's not the money that you earn per 1,000 views. It's the price of ads per 1,000 views, and it includes the cut of YouTube as well. This is a gross oversimplification, but it's as close to reality as it can get. And also, I want you to understand that not all views are monetized, and those do not count in CPM. Some people are just using ad blocks, or they're just in countries that are not getting served ads. So was my earnings a lot for the first month, and was the CPM high? To be fair, I'm very happy with the results. Seeing how little views actual channel is getting, because my videos on average get around 100 views, $26 is not that bad. Plus CPM is very good. Plus I make much more money through other means of YouTube, so it's just an additional income for me. As for the CPM, that's where the channel actually shines, because worldwide average CPM is actually around $2. So having a $19 CPM is very good. Okay, editing Nyxson here. I just wanted to add one more thing, because I want to compare the results of the Social Blade to the results that I actually showed you right now, because Social Blade is usually blamed as the ones that do not show you the real results. But let's just compare what they think that I might earn and I actually earned this month. So this is my Social Blade page. Actually, it grades me as a C+, and it says that I earn somewhere from $2 to $35 per month. And based on that, it's actually completely true. I earned $26, and that means that I earn closer to the top results, but the range is way too big, as you can understand. So it's very difficult for the ones who haven't seen this video to actually understand how much I earn. So this is the comparison. Okay, let's change up the position a bit and now discuss the gaming channel. Again, my handy script will help me here. The channel was actually monetized in January 8th of 2021. And during the entire month, it gained 56,597 views, which is 7 times more than this channel's views. And as for the revenue, the gaming channel gained $72.56, which is only 3 times more than this channel. Why so? Because the CPM of the gaming channel was only $5.75, which is almost 4 times less than this channel's. With this, I wanted to show you that different types of channels have very different amounts of money earned. And despite gaining much more views, the average CPM for the gaming channel is usually very low across the board. But still, $5.75 is pretty high even for a gaming channel. So I'm very happy with that. So in total, both of my channels gained around $100 in their first months. Is this a lot? Well, depending who you ask. For me, it's pretty good amount of income because I have a lot of smaller income sources which all contribute to my overall monthly income. And having one more additional source which earns $100 or less or something is still pretty good. And I want you to understand that small income sources like that, they add up. They add up so much that I could even afford this $2,000 camera now. And to be fair, the entirety of this room where you see all of my videos were built gradually, bit by bit, all from online income sources. Yeah, even the room itself was built on that. And we're doing the same with the gaming channel right here. So this is my gaming channel, and Social Blade thinks that I earn somewhere from $18 to $285. So to be fair, they are wildly different here. And compared to $75 for the previous month, this month I actually earned on that channel, on gaming channel, for $140. So they're kinda in the mid-range here. So yeah, you can say that Social Blade is kind of correct, but with this huge range, it's kind of very difficult to miss as well. Overall, what was an actual point of this video? Why I myself decided to make my first paycheck video, even though there's not a lot of money to talk about here? Well, the main point here is exactly that. It's all about the different revenue sources that you make. It's not about how much money you make from one source. It's all about how much money you make from all the other sources. And small sources like that makes like $20, $50, $100 or more or less, they actually all add up and give you very good results for your online income. And if I could figure it out, you can do it as well. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you like the new quality of this video, because I myself sure do. What do you think about my first month? You probably have watched the other videos of other YouTubers with their first paycheck. Can you compare to them? Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. This will be it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya. Yeah, the quality is still amazing, but I need to work on lighting. Consistency of the lighting. Oh yeah, and now back to work.